I'm going to teach you organize your school life in Notion with a free template and handy widgets. We'll walk through building a simple, flexible dashboard so you can manage classes, assignments, and notes in one place. Start by opening Notion. So in your browser and logging in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click plus new page. This creates a fresh space dedicated to school, so everything stays organized and easy to find later. Give your page a clear name like School Dashboard so it's obvious what lives here. To speed things up, click Templates, then search for Student or School Templates. Pick one that matches your style and click Use this template. These templates come pre-structured with sections for tasks, notes, and schedules, which saves time and reduces setup decisions. From here, click anywhere on the page to edit text. Notion is block-based, so you can type a / to bring up options. Use to add blocks like heading to label sections, to-do list for quick task tracking, table for structured data, or divider to separate areas. This helps you lay out the dashboard logically, with clear places for what you need every day. Create subpages for subjects, assignments, or notes using +add a page in the sidebar. Subpages keep details out of the way until you need them, and they're perfect for separate classes or projects. After creating them, drag each subpage under your main school dashboard so they nest neatly and can be accessed in a single click. You can also drag to reorder them in the sequence you use most. To bring information to life, add widgets. Type embed, then paste a widget link like a calendar, a clock, or a countdown. These can help you track important dates, current time zones, or exam countdowns right inside your dashboard. Resize and position embeds so they don't dominate the page and keep the layout clean. Use toggle lists by typing toggle to group notes or tasks that you don't always need to see. Collapsing long study notes or weekly to-dos keeps your pages tidy and focused, while still keeping everything a click away. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share. You can invite classmates to view or edit, or keep pages private for personal study. Adjust permissions to control who can make changes. Finally, save your setup for future semesters. Click at the top right and choose Duplicate to reuse the structure without rebuilding it. Now your school life is organized in Notion. Use the template, add widgets, and stay on top of tasks. Subscribe for more simple tutorials.